Kennedy, you have made me the luckiest man alive by agreeing to share your life with me. I'll never forget the first time I saw you at the baseball field. I knew I just saw my forever. The past 8 years have been everything I could ever ask for. Whew. I know I wasn't always the best boyfriend or best fiance, but I promise I will be the best husband I can be. I promise to be the best father to our kids that I can be. Oh, man. I will love you for who you are and who you will become through the good and the bad. I promise to say I love you every night and kiss you every morning. Now, when I say I do, I'm not going to do the laundry or the dishes. I promise not only to say I love you, but I will show you what that love means. I'll put you first even during baseball season. And I guess I'll unclog the tub even though you're the one with the long hair. Today I finally get to make my best friend become my wife. I vow to give you my whole heart. There's no one else I'd rather build my life and family with. You are my life and the greatest thing that I could ever ask for. You taught me how to be a better man. You've taught me what it means to love and to be loved. I promise to love you forever and always.
Jake, the day I met you is a day I will hold on to for the rest of my life. 14-year-old me had no idea you were going to be my person. Literally. It took me 2 months, flowers on my birthday, and lots of convincing from my mom to figure it out. But it was the beginning of a true love story. I remember the day I fell in love. We were so young, but that just makes our story so much more special. I appreciate you. I appreciate how you take care of me. I appreciate the way you love our fur babies, even though I think you love them more than me sometimes. I appreciate that you love with your whole heart. You have the most kind-hearted soul. One of the things I admire most about you. You are extremely patient with me, and we all know that's probably not as easy as it sounds. You protect me, support me, and wipe my tears when I need it. All the things I've prayed for in a husband. I cannot wait to see what the future holds for us. I am fortunate that I have someone like you to spend the rest of my life with. I promise to love you, support you, and be your rock through the hard times. I promise to work on my driving, my eye rolling, and using my indoor voice. It's always been you, and it will forever be you. I love you, Jacob, Michael, always and forever.
You're bringing heaven down to earth. A symphony in every word, yeah. You're bringing heaven down to earth. Bringing me everything. Bringing me everything.
You've come before us, before God, and have expressed your desire to be husband and wife. You've shown your love and affection by joining hands, having made promises of faith and devotion each to the other, and have sealed these promises by the giving and receiving of rings. I therefore now pronounce that you are husband and wife. May God bless you and keep you and give you his peace. And Jake, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor and privilege to present to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Jake Terry.
You're bringing heaven down to earth. Bringing me everything. Bringing me everything.
imagine a more perfect couple. I mean, they complement each other so well. They are literally real life Ken and Barbie. But I could not have handpicked a better partner for Kennedy. I mean, honestly, if you have a problem with Jake, you have a problem with yourself. He is literally the most kind-hearted, genuine, and honestly bravest person coming into this family that I've ever met. Even though I've considered you family from the very beginning, it's really cool to call you my big brother now, officially.
A symphony in every word, yeah.